Hi friends, this is Sudha from East West Life. I just want to give you some idea about data analytics, and this is a very emerging field in United States. So this is only like a summary, a small summary. So what is data analytics? Analyzing the data. Simply analyzing the data. Or analyst he or she can be just a data analyst. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ can be like a data scientist. അപ്പം data scientist എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ കാണാം അവർക്കാണെങ്കിൽ അതിന് tools, especially the emerging tools, അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് a lot of information. They have a lot of information about those tools. പിന്നെ good domain knowledge and business analysis skills. ഇതും അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതിൽ ഈ പ്രൊഫഷനിൽ you can make a big difference. Then the question is, what is data, right? Data എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ it is just an information about a person's activities, like their activities regarding their retail, healthcare, or the data associated with some other entity. അതൊരു ഒരാളുടെ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ആവണമെന്ന് ഒരു നിർബന്ധവും ഇല്ല. So this is about data analysis. You are actually analyzing the stored data. Data could be stored in the warehouse, cloud, or it can be simply sitting in a Microsoft Excel. In the example, a retail giant, they are trying to get the information about your shopping history. Or it could be information relating to your financial data, income tax data. Maybe like a hospital, they are keeping the data about the patients, the medical history. Just to give you some examples. So let's see what are the major industries that can use data analytics. A simple example is Google search engine. They are collecting information when you browse or you search something. And from your search behavior, they are actually giving you some links to something you may be interested in, right? In US, emerging industry എന്ന് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ healthcare insurance, auto home insurance, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ retail shopping giants, ഇവരൊക്കെയാണ് they tend to keep a lot of information about customers. So those industries have a great need for analysts who can dive deep into the data according to the business needs. So, എന്താണ് ഒരു ഡേറ്റ അനലിസ്റ്റ് എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? They should be അവരെന്താണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? I mean, what are they required to do? So, they should be very good in querying the data and creating statistical data out of it and presenting it to the higher management, higher ups, അവര് കുറച്ച് detail oriented ആയിരിക്കണം. And they should be able to come up with the graphs, the summary, the reports, whatever way they want to, the management, the upper higher ups ask them to provide, So let's see what are the minimum qualifications required. America 4-year degree, that is sufficient. Okay. So when I say 4-year degree, like, I mean, India BSc, BA, then you need to take one more, like MA or MSc, something you have to take, or you can be a BTech, But just like, like when you want to become a data, you should have an analytical bent of mind, and also you should be good with all the mathematics, the quantitative aptitude, So mostly this kind of profession is good for somebody who has completed studies in STEM, STEM. STEM എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Also like വേറൊരു sort of skill set എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് statistics. So if you have a degree or masters in statistics, you are highly qualified to become a data analytics, if you are interested. Let's see what are the normal tools used for data analytics. SQL, Advanced Excel, Google Analytics, Tableau, SAS, etc. How much salary a data analyst make? ഒരു ജൂനിയർ ഡേറ്റ അനലിസ്റ്റിനാണെങ്കിൽ I mean, അമേരിക്കയിലാണെങ്കിൽ just let you know, like അമേരിക്കയിൽ രണ്ട് തരത്തിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഒന്ന് കോൺട്രാക്ട്, they work on hourly contract. The second type of people work on yearly benefits, like they are work with the company with all the benefits, you know. So the people who are working on with the company with all the benefits, our salary 3 koravaayittu thonum, but actually they are making more because they are getting all the benefits, you know. Appo I'm talking about the people who are making an yearly salary with benefits. Or junior data analyst, they are coming out of the college, or they are coming from another field, they are trying to come to this profession. They can expect up to 60,000 to 80,000 yearly with benefits. Or experienced data analyst, especially he or she has like a lot of very good domain knowledge, especially healthcare, that's very highly sought after right now, you know. You can get up to 120,000 US dollars. And somebody who is like a data scientist, you know, like you're very good in a lot of things, like you have, you know, a lot of emerging tools, you know, then you can, I think, up to 130,000. So this is like an approximate. You can probably, depending on the city and where you're living, you know, this can. Please like and subscribe my channel. I'll come with another video sometime soon. Till then.